Good morning, everyone. We are starting today's safety audit. This audit helps us review safety systems and identify risks. Our team is ready to support the audit process. Let's begin by reviewing your safety procedures and records.
Here are the manuals, risk assessments, and training records.
These are our risk assessments and inspection records. Thank you, this is very thorough. Now we will inspect the workplace and observe operations. I'm observing equipment safety, housekeeping, and work practices. Can you explain the safety steps before starting this task? Yes. First, we isolate the power and verify with a lockout device. Can you explain the safety steps before starting this task? Yes. First, we isolate the power and verify it's locked out.
I inspect the equipment and wear my protective gear.
This emergency exit is blocked and must stay clear. Let's review the findings from today's inspection. The checklist shows 3 critical items.
These hazard photos confirm the risks.
The electrical hazards are the top priority. I have photos of the wet floors. We understand the issues and will address them. Good. Our corrective plan includes retraining and equipment upgrades. Let's assign corrective actions to fix these risks. Sounds good. I'll take the first one. I'll handle the training. We are correcting the hazards immediately. Yes, supervisor. On it. Exit is clear. Good work. Keep it organized. The audit is complete. Let's review the key improvements. We will implement the recommendations immediately. Stay alert, stay alive. Subscribe to Gearing Safety.